Hey, the ghost here again, walking back to the house and such. Hey, one heck of a friggin' day. Didn't listen or watch to a movie today. Been one of those days. Been one of those days indeed. Hey, quite the journey. So yeah, I'm sorry for the light flare on the left there. I need to clean it up again. The whole lens. Well, not the whole lens. Anyway, so yeah, it's been one of those freaking days, that's for sure. Freaking annoying. Just so many annoying people today, that's for sure. Coming in, going out, being out complete bastards. Well, then again, that's life for you. Always full of bastards who think they're better than you. When in fact they're worse off. They're worse than you. Because they think they're better. Well, hey, that's nor here nor there. And of course it's been raining all day. It's just now that's not as bad. But it sounds like it's actually starting up again. Right, the annoyance really. Anyway, I haven't really had much time really, been extremely busy to watch any movies. I wish I did. I wish I had the time to actually watch movies and such. But maybe that one day is soon. Then again, that day may be a very long time from now. Anyway, until next time, whatever.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish